Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sorry, I've been away. I've been working, right? So sometimes you got to put priorities first, and priority was to get work done. It's hard for me to come in front of you to say you got to do this and we should do this to get along in our lives if all we are is just saying it. So I had to put some work in. Now, I just got back from a run. I created a new habit in my life. It used to be a habit that I had when I was younger, when I was in the military, because I had to do it. Now you have a choice when you're an adult, and it's a choice that we have to make because this is the only body that we got. So we got to take care of it. So I encourage you to create a new habit. I work out maybe 5-15 minutes a day. Whether it's not all the time running, sometimes it's just doing push-ups, crunches, but at least I commit to doing something. And that's all I ask you to do. It's the only body that we got. And we have a longer journey if we take care of it, a better journey, because we pay the price now, or we pay even greater later on with all of the ailments that can come to us. So that's my message for today. Take care, God bless, and I'll talk to you soon.